time to kill today.
Ain't no time to play.
And then one day you find 10 years have got behind you. No one told you when to
Got no one to blame but yourself, 'cause I was in
the starting line.
the tick-a-tick-a-tack. Look at the clock. Got to move it on the dot, don't you look back, because the time is the time, but time is the master. And time could be a disaster. Yeah, you know. Got no time to play. The time is the master. And time is the master. Yeah. 'Cause you can't change the hands of time. And you could never turn back hands of time. Got no time to play. Got to give on the go. We gotta move it around. We went out to the center, but I got no time to delay. Went out to the center. The time is the master. Go tick-a-tick-a-tack. Move it on the dot and don't you look back until you could dash. Serious time, this a terrible time. 'Cause some may say, 'cause this a serious time. Yeah, you know. Got to know what you do in this time. Is not what you listen. Got no time to play. Got no time to delay. Went out to the center. Tick-a-tick-a-tick-a-tack. Move it on the dot and say you coulda never stop. Got no time to play and say no time to delay. Move it right away and let me till you jump and say, 'cause this time is the master. Time is the master. Time can be a disaster. Yeah, you know. So you gotta move it on the go and do this little link. We'll keep it coming to my doors and look over some moving out to the moment. Sound little bit on the coming on the small as the video when I go see what I tell you say.
You run and you run to catch up with the sun, but it's sinking and racing around to come up behind you again. The sun is the same in a relative way, but you're older. You're shorter of breath and one day closer to death. Every year is getting shorter, never seem to find the time. Plans that either come to naught or half a page of scribbled lines, hanging on in quiet desperation is the English way. The time is gone, the song is over, or not something more to say. Home again. I like to be here when I can. When I come home cold and tired, it's good to warm my bones beside the fire.